My name's Alex, and this is my first time taking off my shirt since top surgery. Top surgery is removing excess fat tissue from your chest to achieve a more masculine or androgynous appearance. Even before I had the words to articulate that I knew I was transgender, I knew that I was not okay with my chest. It was something that I needed. I would not have been able to be here today if I did not get the surgery, because it was what made me feel okay with myself for the first time in my life.
I'm Rachel Bluebond-Langner, and I am a plastic surgeon at NYU Langone Health, and my practice is dedicated to gender-affirming surgery. Top surgery is an incredibly well-tolerated procedure, and I think that the emotional benefits can often carry people through any physical pain that they may feel.
Going out shirtless, it's something that most people just take for granted, I think. Especially for trans men, it's something that is so essential to being yourself. To just be able to take your shirt off after a long day, or go to the gym and not have to worry about anybody thinking you're anything less than a man or who you are. As a trans person, I didn't feel safe or happy or secure enough with myself to publicly go shirtless to the beach ever. I would wear a binder, but I would feel too self-conscious, or I would experience very bad interactions with people who just did not agree with who I was. And so now that's the one thing that I'm very looking forward to, especially today, to go outside and be shirtless for the first time. It is almost summer. I'm so happy. I'm excited to go out and just live this summer and the rest of my life as myself for the first time.
Alex was an excellent candidate for top surgery or chest masculinization. When he came to the consultation, he had already been diagnosed with gender dysphoria and had seen his mental health provider. He had identified his post-operative support, had taken adequate time off of work.
It's been just over 3 months since my top surgery. I've never been shirtless in front of so many people since surgery. I've only been in front of my family, my friends, people who I've shown. Never just the public. So this is definitely gonna be an experience. I'm excited to be shirtless for the first time in public since surgery, because you gotta do it for the first time to just get it over with anyways, We're in the park, we found a pretty good spot, and I'm ready to take off my shirt. I feel good. I feel people staring at me, but what are you gonna do? I could just walk around and just be. This is great. Definitely want to tan this summer. Definitely want to work out this summer. But taking care of my chest, taking care of my scars first. That's priority. I'm proud. I am proud of my body. I work so hard to look the way I do. I spent so many nights wishing that I could recognize myself in the mirror. And now I have this body, I have this face that I work so hard for. Even with my scars, it's part of me. It's an experience I went through, and it's made my life so much better. I'm so lucky, I'm so privileged and grateful to be where I am. How could I not be so excited to be myself? Feels really good. Feels kind of underwhelmingly normal, which is an amazing feeling. To just be able to be myself out here, to just exist, feels great. I feel totally myself. Now it means that I can just live my life. I don't have to focus on my chest. I don't have to focus on binding. My ribs don't have to be in pain. I could just be myself. If you're nervous to take your shirt off after top surgery, the thing is that there's probably not going to be a time when you're ready. You just got to do it. I want to stress how grateful I am to be standing here right now, to be able to be shirtless and to pass as male and be who I am, because there are many people who are buried with names that they do not identify with and bodies that they never got to love. There are trans women of color and just so many trans people who never get to live to see the day where they feel this happiness. And I pray every trans person gets to feel like this one day, or just anybody who gets top surgery feels this comfortability with their body. Everybody deserves it, truly. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe to 17's YouTube channel.